game in 1 hour. It's... So all you have to do is you have to collect the yellow thing. And every time you have slightly less time to do it. And then there are 2 upgrades, one of which adds to your speed and one of which resets the time that you have.
So that you again do have more time to get to the yellow thing.
Yeah. Let's try and start the timer. Okay. 1 hour game, let's go. Okay, so what should I do? I'm just gonna start with a circle. Circle. 200, 200, 200. I'm gonna have a circle, make it a color. Let's do something like blue, violet. Okay, there we go. So we have a circle. What can we do with the circle? What if we make it appear in a random position? Okay, that's bad. So instead I'm gonna make let x equals 200, y equals 200, and I am going to say xy, and if frame count mod like 15 is equal to 0, this is going to be 4 times per second. We're going to set it to a random position. X equals random width, y equals random height. Okay, there we go. So now okay, there we go. I'm gonna make it the circle a bit smaller. I think I'm also gonna make it like dark orange or whatever. Yeah, there we go. So now we have a circle. Oh yeah, this is actually kind of fun. What if we try and click the circle? Okay, so let's see. Let's score. I think I'm gonna have like 60 at the beginning. I'm gonna say let score is equal to 0, and then we're gonna say mouse pressed. Wait, we're gonna do like the core of this game in 5 minutes? Mouse pressed, if the distance between mouse X, mouse Y, and XY is less than 24, score plus plus. And for now, I'll just console log the score. So now, what if, oh, wait a second, just at the beginning, we just did the basics of this game. like in 5 minutes. Of course, we're gonna need to display the text and whatnot, but the beginning is already done. Yeah, so instead of doing this, I'm gonna say here, text align left top, text size like 30. Fill 0 and draw some text at text that's scored at 33. That's too far in. 15, 15. So now if you try and click it, every time you click it, it adds to the score. So that's kind of cool. Whatever. It's kind of a mouse accuracy game or whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna make all these variables. So I'm gonna have let r, which is the radius, is gonna be 24. So this is gonna be r. And this is going to be r times 2. And then we're gonna have like the interval between like where it goes, where it switches position, 60. So here I'm gonna say frame count mod interval equals 0. So yeah, there we go. Now we can do some fun stuff like we can say interval minus minus. So now every time you click, it's going to take shorter and shorter for it to switch positions. Oh wow! Oh no! Oh, I heard you can't do this. Oh wow! This is getting hard. You know, what if we make the radius decrease as well? So radius is going to start at like 48 or whatever, and then here we can say r minus minus. Actually, no. Let's say let frames is equal to interval. And then here we can say if, here we can say like frames minus minus. And if frames, I'm gonna move this code. If frames is less or equal to 0, we can say that frames is going to be the interval. So this is just going to make it a bit more reliable. Wow, this is getting crazy. Oh no. Try and click it. I'm trying to click it. Oh wow. What's hard about this is that you don't know where it's gonna go next. Oh wow. This needs some optimizing, but yeah. Okay, that's cool. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! This is so cool. Okay, now what am I gonna do next? So what am I gonna do? What if every once in a while, a green circle appears in addition to the orange circle. And if you click it, the either the size or the interval or whatever will reset. So power up, basically. So I'm going to have another thing, let power x equals, let power y is 200. And I'm also gonna have like let power is there, which is gonna be false. And then every time this happens, like if random 1 is less than 0.1, so there's gonna be a 10% chance of getting a power up. So power is there is true. Power x is random width, and power y is random height. So you can get power up sometimes. Otherwise, power is there is going to be false. It's going to be the radius of the power up. I think it's just going to be the same as the radius of the normal circle, so I'm just going to do like lime green. And this one is going to be xy power x, power y. Oh, but I only want to do this if power is there. And that's not what I want to do. I can only draw the circle if the power is there. So at some point, the power-up should appear. Oh, there we go. The power-up appeared. Oh, power-up appeared again. And when the power-up appears, when we click the power-up, then we're gonna let's actually reset everything. So interval is equal to 60, which is what it starts with, and r is equal to 48, which is what it starts with. Oh, and also we want to do this if power is there. There you go, so I made this little power-up system now. Okay, there we go. So that power-up just reset the thing. I think that's a bit too much though. 0.05. So 5% chance of the power-up appearing. Once it changes place. Okay. When we get the power up. Oh no, where's the power up? Power up, where are you? You know what? I think 0.5 is too much also. Let's do 0.7. So it's going to be a 7% chance. Okay, there we go. So now, every time, there's a 7% chance of a power-up appear. Okay, the power-up disappears. Oh, yeah, so you have to be careful, because if the, so if the power-up disappears before you click it, then it's not going to do anything. Oh, wow. This is becoming kind of mad. Power-up! How much? Okay. So what's the goal of the game? The goal of the game. What if the goal of the game is to get like a certain amount of points or whatever? So to collect a certain amount of points. Okay, so now we can do something like if score is greater than or equal to 100, we can say no stroke, fill 0 with a bit of alpha. And I'm going to draw a rectangle filling up the whole screen. And then I'm going to say text align center, center, text size 72, text and I'm gonna also fill with a 0 because otherwise it'll look ridiculous. Fill. Wait, not you died. You won. Okay. Yeah. Width. Divided by 2. Height. Divided by 2. What did I get myself into? It's only 15 minutes and the game is practically done. Well, is it? Well, yeah. We're not even 20 minutes in yet. And the game is practically done already. No. Uh-oh. No. Oh. What? What? This is kind of frantic. I missed the power up. I'm just gonna. Missed the power. Oh, missed the power up again. What if when you click, you randomly get more points? So, what if I do something like if const r equals random1, if r is less than is if r is less than 0.01, then score plus equals 100. Else, if r is less than 0.1, score plus equals 10. Otherwise, score plus equals the normal 1. Assignment to constant variable. I can't call it R. Just call it rand for random. Oh yeah. So let's get like a little effect thing. Oh yeah, this is what's gonna take up more time. Okay, yeah. What did it seem like so little in the beginning and now it suddenly seems like much? Whatever. So I guess I'm just gonna do something like display. So text align center. And I'm going to do like let increase equals 1. And then here we can set increase equal to that, and then we can say score plus equals the increase. Text the increase at x, y. But only if you click. So let increased equals false. And then here we can say increased is equal to true. And we can only say if increased, then increased is false. And I'm going to, oh wow, but it just blinks. Actually, no, what if I do like plus is the increase? So, yeah, but it goes away. So instead of this, I'm going to say like 0. If increased is greater than 0, then increased minus minus. And then here we can set increased to like 10. Right, so it just goes away. I think I should also like make it fade out. So I'm also gonna fill it with like blue or whatever. Let's make it look better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now let's make it fade out. So I'm going to say like 0, 0, 255 and increased divided by 10 times 255. Oh wow, that looks so cool. Sort of fades out. And I should also make it like a different color depending on how big the increase is. So if increased is greater than or equal to 100, and I'm going to like put exclamation points in. And I'm also going to make it like red. And otherwise, if the increase is 10, then I'm going to make it yellow. And I'm just going to do this. Otherwise, then I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to make it something like white and so at some point you should get the 10. Not increased, increase. Okay, there we go. We got 2 10s in a row. That's kind of cool. At some point we should get the really big one, the 100. Oh wow, this is becoming really tiny. You know what? Let's make it float up. So, getting kind of distracted. Minus increased. Actually, no, not minus increased. Minus like 10 plus increased. I think that's where it is. That's so great. I literally got the 100 the first time and I won immediately. Oh wow. Yeah, so now it just kind of floats up. You see what I mean there? I'm trying to do like minus. Like plus like 2 times that. So it floats up a bit faster. Oh yeah, commas. That was so funny when I did that. Plus. Should be plus. Yes, now it should float up a little faster. Oh wow, yeah. This is actually kind of a cool effect, and kind of doing that. A little bit of juice. Okay, we're kind of we're halfway to the point where the game should be. Oh yeah, I got the plus 100. Maybe the plus 100 should be plus 100. Shouldn't be plus 100. Or maybe it should. It's kind of satisfying that you just get random like win. I'm trying to make it like 50. 50, and also make the probability a bit more. Oh, you got the I already got the 50. Okay, got. What if I make it like 20? Why have I hard coded this? What? Negative 20. Wait. Why does it not start in the center? Oh no, wait. I did this wrong. This should be like, this should be 20. Yeah, so now it's just a bit juicier. And you also see it better. Oh, I got the 50! Yeah, I got the power up. Should balance this a bit more. No! Oh wow. This is getting. Oh yeah, I got the 50. The 50s can just like boost you to the end, which is not not very good. Yeah, I won. Usually when I win it's because of the 50. Oh wow. Power up. Power up. Okay. Yeah, okay, wait. Need the power up. No. What if I make the 50 as likely as the 100 was? Then I would be. Yeah, I got the power up now. Which makes it way easier. Missed the power up. What I do? I'd either get stuck, or it'd be really easy to win. Oh, okay. Got the power up. Okay. Power up myself. Oh. What if I get rid of the 50 entirely? What if I make the goal bigger? You know, so I'm gonna make the 50 more likely again. But I'm gonna make the goal bigger. I'm gonna make it like 300. Missed the power up. Yeah, let's play again. Okay. Power up. Oh wow. That was a 50. It's just luck. Spending way too much of my hour period by testing the game, not actually making it. I didn't really don't really do this for most of my games, but I don't even know what to do with the rest of my hour. So I think I'm just gonna make a menu. So yeah, which is hard to do. Just realized. So I'm just gonna say like let started equals false, and then I'm going to say only if started will we do mouse pressed and draw stuff. So if started, I'm gonna do this. So now we can make our menu. So wait, I'm always gonna draw the background. What am I doing? So now I just basically have a way to turn off the game. And now we can say, we can have a big start button. So otherwise, I'm gonna say, no stroke, fill 0, and I'll also do this, and I'll make my menu. So I'm going to do I should think of a name. And I'm just going to do something like mouse clicker. Okay, wait, so I'm going to need to make it smaller. You know, what if I put it on 2 lines? And now I can make it big. And I'm going to put it at the top. It's probably too far up the top. This is good. Now I just need a big play button. Not that play button. I think I'm just going to make it a rectangle. Fill lime green. And I'm going to make a rectangle at rect mode center. Rect width divided by 2, 3 times height divided by 4. And I think I'm just going to make it like width divided by 4, height divided by 4. Divided by 2, height divided by 4, rather. I can barely speak. Whatever.
Well, you can barely speak.
Nothing. Can barely find the words. I divided by 8. No, too small. I divided by 6. Good enough. Text play in the middle of the button. Actually, no, let's not do this. Mouse. I'm just gonna make it like mouse clicker. And I'm gonna say, and we'll make the play caps. And I'm going to say fill 255. Should really refactor this. We can do like if mouse is pressed and mouse x is greater than width divided by 4 and mouse x is less than 3 times width divided by 4 and mouse y is greater than 5 times height divided by 8 minus height divided by 12. Ridiculous. And this code is becoming terrible, but I only have an hour. And you're just gonna fill with like forest green. No. Oh, not greater than. Less than. So now you can pew pew, hit the button. And we can do the same thing with mouse pressed. Else, if this is true, then started is going to be true. Yeah, so now if we hit the play button, we get to play the game. That's it. What if I actually stop early? So I'm gonna give myself 3 more minutes to polish the game. And then I can stop early, so that I have like beat a game in 45 minutes. So first up, I'm just gonna say like made in 45 minutes. If it will be made in 45 minutes, of course. If not, then I'm gonna change it. Text size. Oh, I have to be quick. 30. 24. And then we can say made in 45 minutes. And then we can say width divided by 2, height divided by 2. So oh yeah, we need to say now text size 48 here. I think it'll make sense to do 3 times height divided by 4. 3 times height divided by 4, 3 times height divided by 4. 3 times height divided by 4, 3 times height divided by 4. Three times height divided by 4. Not divided by 84. Divided by 4. Okay, yeah, now we have our game. What else can I do in a short time period? Not much, really. What if I just stop now? Okay, and I'm also going to save this. It's not going to be counted as part of the time. And I'm going to call it 45-minute game. And I'll share present it. And now we have our nice game. Okay, I think I'm going to stop the recording now. Needs a lot of balancing. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a full playthrough first, and then we're gonna stop. Okay. Oh, almost there. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm not in the time period anymore. But this is just gonna be a bug fix, so yeah. It's also just one line of code, so it shouldn't matter. Yeah. Anyway, this was it.